What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here, and I've just had a power outage at my location. And I know some of you may have never experienced a power outage at your home or home office. And if you have an electric garage door with an automatic opener, you're wondering, all right, how do I get out? All right, here's what you do. Reach up. There's going to be a pull cord that unlatches the mechanism that goes all the way to the opener. So just pull on the cord and it will release a latch right there. Then you can raise the door manually. Okay? We have to do it. You can do it with two hands if you can reach it. So you might have to pull on it and then lift on the door at the same time because it has to come loose right there. Okay, so yeah, hold the handle and pull the cord at the same time and the door will be able to come up. And that's that. And then when you leave the house, you might have to come back in, if you're trying to keep the garage secure, lower the garage door and let it latch again at the same location. And then you'll have to come out your front door or whatever your other access door is. Well, that's all there is to it. Make sure you check out our other videos. We got all kinds of stuff, 1,800 videos on our channel of all kinds of cool stuff that might help you. Motorcycle related, cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, working on stuff around the house. Check it all out. And if our video helped you or saved your life, so to speak, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. And that's it. See y'all later.